So we are in Bandungan. Oh, mommy, get away. So we have about to pass some, is it the buffaloes? Yes, those are buffaloes. Look at the calves. Wow, that's nice. So we have a duty to pick up these flowers along with these iron things, tables, cooking stuff, and we'll go back now. Serut Pak Yadi. Ampun meletot-meletot. Okay, we go home. Tidak kuat. Hati orang kuat ki. I see my face there. Awet banget. Flat, not really that high now, but I think last night is quite high. This can be on my belly because this high, it's still here, and you can see how tall it's this for me. It's like on my belly, so it's quite high. So I think I'm not going to put these tables in the water because I'm afraid that it's gonna swept away anytime. So maybe I will just make a room around here for outdoor sitting. I hope that the boss doesn't mind about that. So in this beautiful morning, in this beautiful view, I got the wild mushroom and I'm gonna cook it.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been
Oh shoot, almost fall. So I'm on my way. You can see the round going up there. The road is quite slippery, so I have to be careful. So we are on the way. How to say that? This nature here is very nice. You see, I think not many people coming around here because you see there is a spider here. Oh, so I need to clean up. I wonder how long it takes from where I park my bike, spider web, till where we go. I don't know if you can hear the waterfall, the water stream. But here is pretty cool, but there is many streams here. I think you can see the river there. The noisy from the river, so refreshing. Ooh, at least I have better equipment than this. No one ever used this, I think, or I'm just the only one.
I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side. Coming back inside my body for a second. There is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hello, where you at?
So here we are in the waterfall. You can see it. Refreshing. I can't wait myself to dip my body there. Must be like in the tub. Natural tub.
Hello, where you at, where you been? Tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down.
You can jump from there.
Perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so low. I'm in the cockpit, I can be a rocket. Hey, fly. So what if you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh, what's your mind's eye? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here, right now, right here. I'm not thinking about how long it's gonna take now. I'm just thinking about our life.
I can't swim.
You and
When
me
I
just
jump
laying
into the
blankets
water,
on the beach,
it's
and then
quite
at night
deep.
I'll sing your
So
favorite
I was
lullaby.
panicking and choking myself out.
Hello, where you at, where you been? Tell me everything about you. Go slow.
So for those who wonder what is this, it is apple, you can see, and milk, fresh milk, and a little bit syrups. If you wonder how I make it myself. So this is how I make it. I cut the apple into little piece. I mix it with brown sugars, and then after that I put it in the freezer, refrigerator, anywhere. Let it chills for maybe 30 minutes or something, and then you can mix it with fresh milk. And because I don't like the taste of milk, so I put little syrup in it. It's nice. You should try it. Oh, one more. You can try it with banana or pineapple, anything.
What's your mind's eye? Been telling you to make you believe that the right.
So you can see the view up there. I want to see how that show you how does it look like. My view if I lay down there. Oh, moment, okay. Yeah. Woo. I wish that my hand is not bad. You can see it. That is what I see. View from waterfall, the sun. Nice, right?
I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side. Coming back inside my body for a second. There is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hello, where you at?
The second jump is much more succeed because I don't lose my pan anymore. So I think it's time for go home. See you next time.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side. Coming back inside my body for a second. There is no way that I'm never gonna try.
Hi. So today's adventure is quite successful. because I'm glad that I come back here. It's nice. The water is still fresh. So for those who never seen my video before this, shame on you.
telling you to make you believe that the